If you're trying to find out which is your Cloud API key, the process actually is not that hard. The first thing to do is to navigate directly into the actual console. Now, do not go to the regular Cloudy chat window. Instead, you want to open the browser to make this process much more faster. I'm going to open a new tab, and directly inside here, I'm going to go straight to the console Anthropic.com, which is actually this one. Now, you want to log in using your developer or the Google account credentials to make this process much more faster. Inside here, once you're inside the dashboard, you want to look right into the center and you click into the profile and go for the top right corner and go for the Get API Keys. In my case, since I don't have any kind of credits directly so far whatsoever, it won't have me the actual access to the actual Cloudy. That's the reason why it asks me for my full name, my country, my address, and my credit card. But this is the actual most easiest way to have the actuals of the credentials API of the actual cloud. Even though it will be showing me, for example, these support live center API keys. So something else that you can do directly into the Cloud Console is to focus directly into your settings API keys. We can use this workspace to scope keys by product into environment. We can send a specific key, which is this one. If you want, you can write this down. If you don't, you can just set the Anthropic API key environment variable to check out the client SDK pickup of the actual automatically. And here, for example, here's my API key with no expiry. I can store them into a secret manager, rotate them periodically, or revoke any key we suspect and actually leaked it. And we have a little bit more information about the next step, which is identity provider guides, the client SDK, the IF references, so the actual workload identity verification. So if you have any questions, guys, you can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have an actual question, you can let me know once again in the comments. Thank you for watching. And the last thing I can tell you before we go is that always, if you have any questions, you can always try to ask Cloudy direct into the actual messages, so you can be working out and even walking you through with the actual exact link of what you're actually looking for. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully we can see you next time.